Long ago, in a land of rolling hills and dusty roads, a kind man named Joseph and his wife Mary were traveling to a town called Bethlehem. The sun was setting, painting the sky in shades of purple and orange. They walked slowly, for Mary was tired, but they were filled with a quiet hope because they were about to welcome a very special baby. When they arrived in Bethlehem, there were no rooms left in the houses. Instead, they found a cozy stable filled with the sweet smell of hay. That night, a little baby was born. Mary wrapped him in warm cloths and laid him in a manger, which was a wooden bed for animals. They named the baby Jesus. Far away in the east, wise men noticed something wonderful. A new star had appeared in the night sky. It was larger and brighter than any star they had ever seen. One of the wise men, named Oram, told his friend Jasper that this star was a sign of a new king. They decided to follow it wherever it led. The bright star led the wise men across deserts and mountains until it stopped right over the place where Jesus was. Oram knelt down and offered the child treasures of gold, sweet-smelling frankincense, and myrrh. They were so happy to have found the special child the star had promised. Many years passed, and Jesus grew up to be a wise and kind man. In the wilderness, by the rushing water of the river, lived a man named John. He wore simple clothes and told everyone that God's love was coming to change the world. A man named Barak stood nearby, listening carefully to every word John said. One day, Jesus came to the river and asked John to baptize him in the water. John was surprised because he knew Jesus was very special. "I should be the one asking you," John said. But Jesus smiled and said it was the right way to show everyone how to follow God. As Jesus came out of the water, something amazing happened. The clouds parted, and a beautiful white spirit, looking just like a gentle dove, came down from the sky and rested on him. A peaceful voice from heaven said, "This is my beloved Son, and I am very pleased with him." Jesus began to travel to many towns, teaching people how to be happy and kind. One afternoon, he sat on a grassy hillside to give a big talk. Hundreds of people sat on the grass to listen. He told them, "Blessed are the peacemakers, for they bring God's goodness to the earth." Jesus wanted everyone to know that they were important. He said, "You are the light of the world. Don't hide your light under a bowl. Instead, let it shine for everyone to see." He explained that when we do good things, we are like a bright lamp in a dark room. Before the sun went down, Jesus gave the people a very special rule to remember. "Treat others exactly the way you would like them to treat you," he said. This is called the Golden Rule. Two friends, Leah and Zane, heard him and decided to start right then by sharing their bread.